before I enter, एक बार questions देखते हैं. Okay, what type of questions are asked, so that you know how we are preparing. The first question was on globalization and language. The language important है. We also had culture is a dynamic concept. Culture पे पूछा जा रहा है. Examine the significance of QR and influence in geography. Culture is either population or even perspective. दोनों में cultural topic है. अगर paper 1 में पूछता है, it's from the perspectives. Paper 2 में पूछेगा, it is from Indian geography, culture. But these three are related to your geographical thought. Okay, so culture पूछा, language पूछा, and they've asked QR. इसके पहले साल में देखो, this is a question on radical geography. Interrelationship between social and spatial structure are complex. Explain the context of socio-spatial dialectic. The meaning of this word dialectic is the conflicts. There's a social dimension, there is a spatial dimension, and there are radical issues of conflicts and how they are relevant for the interrelationship between the two. ये radical geography से question है. Why is radicalism the major paradigm? ये भी radical geography है. Gender issues, अच्छा, these two are radical geography questions. Then essay on gender equity and equality in India in the context of balanced human development. So this is population geography. This is also perspectives also, because you have a topic of human development in this. It's also part of economic geography. Or because gender है, it's also a radical geography topic. So radical geography देखो repeat हो रहा है as a theme. एक तो culture बार-बार repeat हुआ, दूसरा है gender issues, developments. So you can say the theme here is development and radical geography. Language diffuses location. So language पे question है again. Again culture is back. Hotspot, language hotspot, endangered languages. HDI पे question है, human development. So here we go. Areal differentiation, regional synthesis, dichotomy, dualism, environmentalism, QR, location analysis, radical, behavioral, human, welfare geography. यहाँ तक एक type का content है. Language, religion, secularization, cultural regions, and human development index. Okay, this is another part. So you can see the questions asked are largely from the later part. Radical geography से पूछा है, language से बार-बार पूछ रहे हैं, culture से पूछ रहे हैं, development से पूछ रहे हैं. और development आपके economic geography में भी है. Topics of food security, industries, world economic development, okay, measurement and problems. Plus you also have it as a part of your population, well-being, quality of life, and so on. So development as a theme they're asking repeatedly. Human development they're asking you. Okay, that's what I'm trying to point out. So back to your questions asked. HDI is development question. Population भी है. HDI is also in your geographical thought. In globalization and culture, for culture. Theme देखो आप. Radical geography पूछा, culture पूछा, language पूछा, development पूछा. Okay, this is the broad repeat. So globalization. Then geography as a multi-paradigm discipline. ये पूरा मिला दिया, सब कुछ, everything. It's about geography is a lot of things. Then 2020 में they've asked areal differentiation. 2020 के बाद में 21, 2 साल. 21-22 में नहीं पूछा. Welfare geography they've asked. Again 2018 में areal differentiation here. QR again. Stop and go determinism. 16 में. Time geography in 17. So almost 6-7 years में the topic they're asking you. Again culture is back. Cultural identities, global connectivity. So common strong theme is culture every time. So I'm just helping you analyze कि कैसे होगा. So हम culture prepare करेंगे ढंग से. The second preparation of course will be on the later topics, which is radical geography. Take it towards development geography. You must talk about issues related to अब बाकी जो है QR, areal differentiation, welfare geography, radical geography and welfare geography. यही questions हैं. Again QR. QR is repeated बार-बार. QR is here. We had one QR is here. Okay, and we have one QR last year. So 16 से अभी तक 3 बार पूछता है QR पे पूछा है. Areal differentiation 16 में पूछा है, and then they asked in again 18. Twice asked areal differentiation. Welfare geography again. Welfare phase of geography. Region synthesis. I can clearly say this is one demarcation line. उसके पहले again cultural regions, behavioral geography, environmentalism. This is one topic not asked for a long time now. Environmentalism. हालांकि environmentalism is actually extensions of radical geography itself. Extension of welfare geography itself. Behavioral geography, mental map, behavioral geography again radical geography, again cultural realms and HDI. तो मैंने mapping किया है last 10 साल के पेपर mapping कर दिया हमने. I hope you got understood the patterns here. So what you can't leave is what I'm telling you. Culture छोड़ नहीं सकते आप. Culture में एक topic not asked till now is religion and secularization. This is an important. अब syllabus सब map करो. सब में यही नहीं पूछा है ना. Religion नहीं पूछा है and they're not asked secular. And I think this is an important topic. हालांकि last almost 2 years I'm anticipating this one. बाकी सारा touch कर लिया more or less. ये नहीं touch किया है. This we will definitely study well. Human Development Index, they keep asking, rotating. So 4-5 topics क्या पढ़ना है? You can't leave is cultural geography, radical geography, welfare geography, development geography, areal differentiation, QR, aerial differentiation and QR, oh, it's not visible, and behavioral geography. They've asked very specifically mental maps पूछा है, and once they've asked this one, approach to behavioral geography. एक generic question पूछ दिया है. Discuss the approaches study of behavioral geography. 15 में पूछा है. Anything else I'm missing out? So dichotomy, dualisms पे they have only one generic question. No specific questions on dichotomy, dualisms. Okay, in general पूछ दिया ना this one. Geography is a contested multi-paradigm. का मतलब है there are dualism and dichotomies in geography, and it is Eurocentric in approach. Okay, otherwise we don't see any questions here. Synthesis, welfare geography, QR, areal differentiation, contemporary paradigms in geography, culture again, time geography is extension of behavioral geography. So if I put it in terms of your list here, so this is what we will do.